ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಗರದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನೋವೇಟ್ ಎಲಿವೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ವಿಚಾರದ ಕುರಿತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಗಣ್ಯರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಭಾರತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಯುಪಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಡೀನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೈಶಾಲಿ ಜಾಧವ್ ಅವರು ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಆರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Let me thank first the management, the organizing team and the principal for having me invited here for this conference. I had been taken that as an opportunity to visit your website, and I have just seen the theme of the conference, Smart Nursing for Excellence, and your vision and mission has aligned very well. So that was the best theme which has been chosen, madam. Just to say about the smart nursing, as already said, it is innovate, elevate and inspire. The three words means a lot. So having innovation when we are working, it is not only in the academics or the education, but in the clinical area. I strongly feel that we really need to be very much open-minded. We may not have to do something too much extraordinary, but it is just in thinking, I think, which is an out-of-the-box thinking. So be it a small procedure of bed making, or be it a certain critical procedure in the critical care units, or be it any data analytics which is going to give us some information on the trend which is going to happen over a period of time. We all have faced pandemics. In COVID times, we all know that nurses who were the essence of healthcare transformation system and the backbone of healthcare have done certain innovations which were actually that and truly applicable to it. So at any given point of time, wherever we are there, I think if we have with the open mind, we will be able to innovate the current existing thing, and that's how we can bring the smart nursing, in the future. And we all know that Florence Nightingale was been such I would say, a transformational leader, that time, a very long back, she did have, the statistical data with her to prove how the infection was raising, and that's how she had control. The second was to elevate, when we are thinking of innovation, the being leaders and having nursing leaders in place are very important. Due to current staffing shortage, increased workload, the healthcare transformation which is being taken place with the digital technology, the nursing leaders are very important, and they will play a very crucial part, in molding the current nurses. Where the nursing leader, I think, they should make them availability of the higher training. They should man, money, material. These resources should be made available by the nursing leaders. And the last is to inspire. So to have a nursing leader, I think first one needs to be a leader of herself or himself, then only we can be a leader for others. So being inspired by self, we really need to inspire others as well. That's what I feel, and that's what I have taken it from the team. And I would like to tell all the nurses and students and the academicians present here, I personally feel if we have these three things in our mind, and if we strive to have a knowledge and higher education and learn at each and every point of view, I think we will be very much able to attain the sustainable development goals which are put forward by the government.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ RJUHSನ ಸೆನೆಟ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಯ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವೈಶಾಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಜಿತ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
So, first of all, when ma'am invited to me for the conference, I saw the topic in smart nursing. I had no clue about what exactly it was, but when even Shamla ma'am enlightened us about what the whole theme is about, it is really impressive, because I've never been to any conference which has got which focused only on this kind of research works and other things. So, which is very much important, the need of the day, because So many papers, so many articles have been published, and when we are in workplaces, we don't look back to what is being published. We just focus on what we have to do the work today and then finish our work and go back home and come the next day. But we never go back, or we do some research and find something which is important to learn and implement it in our day-to-day or our skills in nursing. It is very important. So innovation, I would say, as a theme suggests, the whole program I felt is an innovation because it's a very wonderful concept. So I would say that, and inspiring. Definitely, we all have to inspire others. Whoever. Now, nurses, I would say, we all are blessed with healing hands. So when we approach to a patient and also to any other people, most importantly is our aura. The patient must be. The patient is the most important person for us, and when we touch the patient will have a sense of relief, a sense of comfort. So I always say any healthcare professions, like even us in physio, we are all blessed with healing hands. So we have to have that kindness and compassion towards patient. And even the patient will be impressed, they'll be inspired by us, and they will send their family members or their kids or someone to learn nursing because of the impression we give to them. So that is how I would say inspiration works. So for them to cultivate a profession and grow further. And also, ma'am said, Vaishali ma'am said that she's in Mangalore for the first time. I hope you have a pleasant stay in Mangalore. Mangalore is one of the most calmest and very nice city to live in, and so many students who come out from Mangalore, they always go back and they call to us and they say, Mangalore, there is no other place like Mangalore. So I hope you have a memorable stay. And I would like to say, more, other than the conference or the talks, I would just like to say one small quote for the people gathered here. It is always not what is ahead of us or which is behind us or it is besides us, but it is what within us that makes us today. So, like they say, in the ocean of fishes, the fish is never salty. The whole of the ocean is salty, but the fish is not salty. Because the fish has got its own thing. It doesn't get influenced by others. So, I always say, this is what I want everyone to bring out your best and give your best to the society.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂವಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಮಾ ಊರ್ಮಿಳಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಲಿಯುವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Innovate, Elevate, Inspire as the keynote of this conference, and as always I do put forward the work of Dr. N. Nagopal Shetty in his father's name. When we started this institution of nursing, which was our flagship, there was only in the private sector none. Government college in Karnataka, there were I think 12 students BSc nursing. So when we started, I think it was in '87, it was of course an innovation to have nursing in the private sector, and after that we never looked back, because our catchment area was from not so much Karnataka but as Kerala and other places. So with that we started, and when our Golden Jubilee was celebrated, nursing colleges, BSc nursing colleges, my husband's idea was to elevate nursing as a profession. There were 325 nursing colleges in Karnataka. So in 25 years, that was the progression of nursing. Having said that, yes, he inspired those many. What I'd like to say is, I find that the speakers before me have emphasized that we need models. And I was interested to find that there was one Dr. Sukhpal Kaur on my reading who has changed a lot of things in nursing. So I would like you to see, I mean whether you agree or not, that is different. But I would like all of you as students to find not only model leaders, but see who is writing. She has written 2 or 3 books. She's mainly gynecological nursing, I think, but she's written about what compassionate methods mean in the nursing profession. So I would recommend that, Dr. Padmapriya, that you have reading and these models where you read, because I find that since you can Google anything, everybody is in instant little capsules only you take in. So I would like some deep reading to be done. And you can start, I feel, with Dr. Sukhpal Kaur. So that, I think, is all I need to say. And one more thing, yes. I would like all of you to think of writing, keeping a journal, learning something new every day. So for innovation to begin, you have to write and absorb new ideas, new realities, and as I said, starting with COVID, nurses are going to be needed everywhere, regardless. And with all the turmoil, all the wars in the world, nursing students and nursing professionals can only hope to be useful by constantly upgrading their skills. They will be, let's say, doctors of society. So I wish you all the best, and I'm very happy that this conference was brought under the aegis of Dr. M.V. Sethi institutions. God bless you all, and may you take a very good part towards innovating, elevating, and inspiring everyone in your particular group, society, country, globally.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ಅಂಜು ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದರು. ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಇವರು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ಲವಿನಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಡಿಮೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇವರು ವಂದಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂವಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಮಾ ಎಸ್ ರೈ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂವಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಎಸ್, ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಾ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು.
ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಆಟ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ, ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ.
ಆಟ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ನಿಮ್ ಸುಳ್ಳಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಸತ್ಯದಿಂದ.
ಹಳೆ ಬೀಡು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಳೆ ಬೀಡು.
ನೀವು ನಗಡೋರಲ್ಲಂತ ಬಾರಿ ಹುಷಾರಿನವರ.
ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕವರು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಗೇಟಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು.
ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ ಬೈರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಳಿತಾ